यहाँ पर जब बर्फ़ पड़ती है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा बर्फ़ पड़ती है तो इतने डूब जाते हैं हम, बहुत मुश्किल से काम करते हैं।
जब शादी करके मेरे पापा जी आए मेरे घर तो बोले कि मैंने अपनी बेटी को कहाँ दे दिया ऐसे घर में।
In the massive Indian subcontinent, there are still many places that are very remote. Isolated by wild and rugged terrain, normal, everyday things seem like a distant dream here. And the most vulnerable, women, the very young and the very old, the sick and the infirm, pay the highest price for their remoteness. Isolation often breeds poverty. Being poor is not only about being denied access to resources, it is about the constant struggle for survival. 40% of rural India is remote. It often feels that time has stopped here. But change is coming. When Supervisor Anjana from the Chinmaya Organization for Rural Development, CORD, came to Gurar in 2014, among the first few people she met was Bobby Devi. She found a woman who had taken on many of life's challenges. A few years ago, it fell to Bobby to take care of 6 young children, her own and those of her mother-in-law who died suddenly. Bobby learned how to manage. But everything, money, time, effort, was spread very thin. She often wondered about the future. And then came a life-altering moment.
हमने देखा कि यहाँ रिमोट एरिया में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है लोगों की, फिर हमें एक कार्यकर्ता की ज़रूरत थी, तो हमने तुम्हें चुना।
मेरे को शौक कि मैंने जाना है उसमें क्या होता है, महिला मंडल क्या होता है, मैं फिर अच्छा काम करूँगी, मेरे को मतलब बड़ी ज़्यादा इच्छा।
CORD works across generations and gender. Undeniably though, it is women who are the starting point and the focus of CORD's activities and are clearly the most effective means to make change.
जब अंजना दीदी आती थी तो बैठक करते बताना कैसे इंटरलोनी करनी, इस पैसे को जरूर तुम्हें लाना।
The handling of money, microcredit, loans and finances offers tremendous support for women to become economically independent. Experience has taught CORD that once people realize their own power, there is no stopping them. They devise their own solutions and take responsibility to make things happen.
घर में कूड़े व गंदे पानी के निस्तारण का समुचित प्रबंध हो। नंबर 3, हमारे गांव में अवैध शराब बंद हो।
फिर ऐसे ऐसे सपने पर कब होंगे पूरे? इतने पहाड़ में कौन पूरा करेगा, देखो वाला।
Field workers like Bobby Devi and CORD supervisors like Anjana constantly go to communities in even more remote villages. They know that the process of making change is hard and long, but certainly worth it.
जब कोर्ट से आए हैं, घर घर में आकर उन्होंने हमें जागरूक किया, ये बढ़ाया, मतलब महिला मंडल बनाए, तो कुछ हमें भी थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ में आने लगा कि नहीं कुछ होता ही।
चलो धीरे धीरे सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा ना। जो लोग नहीं जुड़े हैं वो जुड़ेंगे, वो आपको देख के जुड़ेंगे ना।
At the heart of CORD's philosophy is a simple idea: the power of self-help to spark the true potential of people. CORD knows that the most effective way to make social change is through a ground-up approach that respects people's lived experience and actively considers their ideas. CORD facilitates people-centered grassroots organizations like Mahila Mandal, through which it empowers villagers to drive programs themselves. CORD's ultimate aim is to halt the drive which forces people to leave rural India. It seeks to create spaces where people are able to sustain themselves, feel a sense of pride, self-respect and belonging.
छोटा सा गांव है ना, थोड़े थोड़े लोग होते हैं, कभी हल्दी नहीं होती, कभी नमकी नहीं होता, तो चलो दूर टाइम नहीं होता तो यहीं पे आ जाते हैं, लोग ले जाते हैं, हम भी गुजारा कर लेते हैं।
15-16 जने खाने वाले थे, वो मजदूरी करके तो गुजारा नहीं होगा। तो मैंने बोला मैंने 70,000 का लोन लेना है, खचरे ली मेरे हस्बैंड ने, तो फिर अब वो 800 से 1000 रुपये तक हम दोनों मतलब पति पत्नी कमा लेते हैं, अब तो थोड़ा ठीक है।
CORD has truly transformed the lives of Bobby Devi, Sanyogita, and hundreds of women in the region. Right across this nation, there are millions of others who can blossom and grow, given similar help and guidance. CORD's task is never done. Beyond the last village, there is another, and yet another, over the horizon.